What happened when the South Asian most important trade corridor closed? How will it impact Afghanistan economy and Pakistan and the ordinary people? Let's discuss this. You know, Afghanistan and Pakistan, they have had a trade for billions of dollars every year. Due to the recent clash between Afghanistan and Pakistan, they have closed the Torkham gate. Because of this closure, Pakistan is losing $45 million every month. Not only Pakistani government are suffering, but the local companies, small companies, people in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh, Punjab and Karachi, the small companies, they are suffering as well because they used to produce products that they were exporting to Afghanistan. Afghanistan imports medicine, textile and many other products from Pakistan, while Afghanistan exports vegetables, fruits to Pakistan. Due to this closure, you saw that a single kg of tomato costs 600 Pakistani rupees in Pakistan. The prices for pomegranates, grapes, apples has increased 200%. While the ordinary Pakistanis has suffered a loss in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa because the drivers, the businessmen, they were traveling through this area and these people were making money out of it. While when the Torkham gates were closed, Afghanistan had opportunity to move to other countries, Iran, Central Asia and other countries, to change the routes for the businesses. Afghanistan government now must find a new routes, new places, new markets, international markets for the Afghan products. When there is a season for fruits and apples and vegetables, due to unknown reason, the Pakistani government are closing the gate, while the in Afghanistan side, thousands of cars are parked in both sides. Ordinary people are suffering, businessmen are suffering, they are losing millions of dollars. And ordinary people will face shortage of products, the prices might increase. In short term, Afghanistan might face few problems like increase in prices, but in longer term, Afghanistan will succeed because Afghanistan will find a new route for its product. Afghanistan will find new markets, and Afghanistan will find the alternative to the Torkham and Spin Boldak route. You know, Afghanistan government has announced that they have cut the tax on air corridor and asked the national airline Ariana to buy a cargo plane in order to reach Afghanistan products. Afghanistan vegetables, fruits has a very good market in Russia, Central Asian countries like Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, and also in India and Middle Eastern countries. Even the products are exported, apples and pomegranates are exported to Middle East, even to Russia and other countries. Some vegetables are exported to Iraq and other countries as well. So in longer term, you will see that Afghans will use domestic products. Companies will invest in Afghanistan, and foreign companies will invest in Afghanistan because they already have a market in place. So the businessman will invest. The products that are imported now, companies are trying to invest in Afghanistan, so to produce the same product for the local market because the demand is already here. So that's why you will find the companies nowadays, you know, companies are investing millions of dollars in infrastructure like in solar energy and other. So the companies will invest in warehousing, the companies will invest in solar energy. So definitely in longer term, Afghanistan will use these resources and use new routes to send products to international market. You saw Afghanistan are investing in rail networks from Iran, Turkmenistan and other. So you know, thousands of metrics of tons of products are now export and import through the rail network from different countries to Afghanistan. To summarize this, it's not in the favor of Pakistan, it's not in the favor of Afghanistan to close the gates. And we should not use gates in businesses as a means of political pressure, because this will impact ordinary Afghans and ordinary Pakistanis as well. This will impact small companies, this will impact the relationship, and this will impact the bigger companies as well. That's why we should respect each other and let the companies and businessmen trade with each other freely without any political pressure. This will negatively impact both countries.